Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Color Block Obsessions palettes. They came in these cute clear cases here in PR. Huda always knows the perfect packaging. I don't know what it is about these clear materials that just make me think of summer. It's also just really nostalgic. I feel like these are very like 90s. I have a very specific vision in mind of like a pool and those jelly shoes that you grew up with and like a popsicle. But if you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Moving on, this first one here is the orange and purple Color Block Obsessions. The cool thing about the packaging is the letters are actually raised, which is very satisfying. In each palette, there is a water-activated cake liner. I'm pretty sure that it's just this one in here because that's the only one that's stamped cake liner, but that's still a really unique feature. There are also 2-in-1 duo metallic eyeshadows. They're smooth, buildable, and blendable. And you can create more of like a subtle look if you want to, or you can go extreme and do more of a standout look. I mean, I think with these colors, you're gonna be standing out anyway. These are the orange and purple Color Block Obsessions palette swatches. The two swatches right here are that center shade that's split. I didn't know if I was supposed to swirl it together or do two separate, so I just did them two separate. I didn't swatch the cake liner yet. I wanted to show you guys, I already ripped the top off of this, but these are the Color Block brushes. I just wanted to show you guys real quick before I use one. I love how precise these are, by the way. I'll definitely be using these for my regular makeup transformations. Like when I do my characters, if you guys follow me over on Instagram, I don't do too many on here, but if you know, you know. These are the other two Color Block pencils, in case you guys were wondering. By the way, these palettes are $29. I forgot to mention that, but let's move on to the next palette here. This is the green and blue Color Block Obsessions palette. I love this cake liner shade, by the way. This is a very unique, it's like, is it periwinkle? Is that the like exact shade? It's almost like a pastel bluey purple. You just don't see that shade often. These are the green and blue Color Block Obsessions palette swatches. And obviously I swatched the liner up top there for you guys. And again, those two metallic shades that are right next to each other are that split color in the palette. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with the orange and purple Color Block palette. I think I'm gonna do a purple eye with like some orange accents. Okay, normally I would just cut this explanation out of the video, but I figured it's kind of important. So I just had to just touch up this eye real quick. I was saying that I was going in with this purple shade as like my crease shade. And I was like, why isn't this pigment showing up? But that's the liner shade, which it's a little confusing. I don't like that. I mean, I don't know how they would do this any other way, but before it used to say cake liner on there, so you would know. But once you swirl your brush in there, those letters are gone. So I was like, what? Like, what is going on with this eyeshadow shade? So I'm just cleaning off my brush right now, and I think I'm gonna go for more of like an orange eye so that I can use that purple as a liner. Ooh, look how pigmented this orange is. It's like perfect. So I'm going in with that darkest orange in the palette. Okay, now I'm dipping into that metallic orange that's part of that duo shade. And I'm using this on the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm gonna go in with that purple liner. All right, very sunset vibes. I'm gonna just do underneath. Let's dip into this liner. Probably should have used that lighter orange as just like a base. I feel like it's a little hard to see the purple, but then again, it's kind of nice that it's not like super in your face. Okay, it's looking cute. All right guys, this is the way that the liner looks. We're just gonna pretend like they're even, but I really like it. It was really easy to use. And yeah, I really like the color. I'm gonna finish up my eyes off camera and then I'll be back to give my final review. All right guys, this is the finished look with lashes. I really like how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I really do love these palettes. They're very fun, very unique. It just really depends on whether you like colors, but I'm sure if you're watching this review, you do like color and you're trying to figure out whether the palettes are worth it or not. I think they definitely are. They have a lot of pigment to them. I think the eyeliner is such a great, unique addition to it. If you're a collector of Huda Beauty's Obsessions palettes, I really think that you guys aren't gonna be disappointed. And they're just a fun little pop for summer. I don't have anything bad to say. You guys know, if you've been watching my reviews, I love Huda Beauty. I would say it's probably, it has to be my all-time favorite makeup brand. They just are so consistently good with every single product that they bring out. From lips to eyes, they're like my ultimate brand. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the palettes in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Again, the palettes are $29. They'll be in stores on $4.19, and that Color Block brush set is $25. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.